Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, and as we could see, looking very nice as we continue with the green candle frenzy of a lot of these large cap altcoins that we have been looking at. We've seen Cardano, VeChain, XRP, all kinds of cryptos, Pepe, SHIB, all of them have been having really nice pumps recently. Obviously Bitcoin has been leading the way. Bitcoin's come up and hit 100k ish and been sitting there for around a week now, I would say, and we have seen a lot of cryptos, large caps, getting that nice capital rotation from Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana down into the large caps as people look for more gains in the market. You can see quite clearly here Polygon having a really unbelievably tasty reversal off of the lows, as I've said in my previous videos, but I will say again in this one, it was a pretty obvious trade for me. You can see here we've got our bear market range. This was the range low here. We had been bouncing at the 0.23 for a while, but once we broke down below it, I knew we'd come down and test the low. And you can see once we did actually break the low down here, I took a long position pretty much straight away. Went into a little bit of drawdown, and then with Donald Trump winning the election, extremely pro-crypto president, you could see here that we have basically had a really nice reversal back to the upside in a big way, coming back into the range and continuing breaking through resistance, liquidating loads of shorts on the way up and looking really good for continuation. You can see cleanly breaking above this key level of resistance here, which has been a very key level of resistance for a good while, because this is the last place where we really had a good push to the upside and got rejected hard. And then obviously we came down into this range, as I said before, but we did finally break that downtrend resistance pretty much and back test it a few times as support. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside we saw for all of our altcoins. Most altcoins put in a range and then reversed, but Polygon had an extra deviation to the low, sweeping liquidity before coming back inside. You can see pretty much textbook of what's happened here. We swept the liquidity, we come back up, we test the resistance and the support of the range, and then we break out, we come up to the next resistance, and we're looking like we could potentially break that as well for more continuation to the upside. Looking really good here. 2x off the lows of around 30 cents. I'm up 2x on this position right now and holding this up towards that 618 Fibonacci, up towards that 120 level. I do think that's probably going to be the next big port of call for Polygon as it heads back up in this big consolidation that has been for the bear market up through all this structure. I do think this will be a good place to be taking profits because it's obviously going to be a big level of resistance. Overall, Polygon looking really solid in my opinion if we're having a really nice bull market going forward. It obviously has come down here, tested liquidity and bounced nicely, but I do think this has still got some good legs in the tank going into the final stages of the bull market, probably mid next year or late next year depending on how long Bitcoin does pump. Overall, as I said, Polygon looking really good on the charts. I don't have the full price history because unfortunately, I think was it Poloniex delisted it, Polygon, which is really annoying. So I couldn't actually find a chart that has the full price history and decent liquidity that wasn't just all over the place. But there probably is one. I'll try and find a good chart for you guys for the next time. You can see here this one's got a little bit more liquidity, which is probably a bit more of a better one. I'll probably use this from now on, but you can see here we obviously came down below this level here, dived into this big area down here of demand, and then we reversed back around. And in my opinion, looking really good for some more continuation to the upside. Let's see what we can. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.